Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how my day's been going. So at work today, my truck ran out of gas. So I called my insurance company for roadside assistance, and they wound up totaling my truck. Too expensive. Stick around. It'll turn out pretty nice. Look at that. I want red.
What's that?
So I like the red. Ready.
Over a little bit.
Yeah. What was it?
135.
All right. Yeah, right. You do it, buddy.
Well, that's what this does more than anything.
Yeah, that's what the extra money's for, to watch him blow it up.
444.
444.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
We'll go 6,000.
I don't like it at 6,000. Hell no. 448. Yeah. I have to roll it around anyway. All right, we finally get to pick the motor up. We were going to pick it up on Saturday, but we had a blizzard. Jeff's got the Camaro in here getting ready for the Oak show. So he had it up on the lift, cleaning underneath of it and getting it ready. Look at it shine, man. Whew, she's pretty. Look at that thing. Y'all know this car from some of my other videos. So anyway, let's get this motor off of here. All right, so I want to get a spacer plate for that. I need a water pump. I'm probably going to go with a long. I am putting a chrome alternator on it. And I don't know about pulleys. I don't know what I'm going to do about pulleys yet. But anyway, there she is. She did a 448 horsepower. Should be more than I need for that daggone truck, right? I'm gonna have to rerun those wires. He's got them just laying in there. Clean her up a little bit and get her in the truck. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. Kind of excited. Probably won't be for a few more weeks that I can get her in there, though. But there you go. At least it's home now. Alrighty. Time to order some parts. Alright. I know you guys haven't seen this one for a minute, but I still have it. It's still here. It's just in holding right now. I just have so much other stuff going on right now. Look, I even got a flat tire there. But no, the tilt front end's on. The new door's on. The quarter panels are being worked. Just I got to finish up the tilt front end, the structure underneath of it, and yep, get it all in one color. And yeah, this is ready to go. Yeah, like I say, I know you haven't seen it for a minute, but it is still here. So, all right, just thought I'd show you that too. Well, this is kind of a random video, just showing you what's been going on with my projects. All right, we got our billet specialties. Beautiful polished aluminum. This one's not so polished, so pretty. I bought this one and I just don't like the quality of it, so I kicked the extra bucks and went for this one. It's a whole lot nicer, and it's going to be worth it at the end of the day. Also, we're going with this chrome alternator. Should be nice. I'm also doing the billet serpentine pulleys on the front. Like I said, you know, it's a little pricey, but it's worth it at the end of the day. I mean, the old truck, you pop the hood and all you have is the motor. Because she's not showing much on the outside. So I'm just looking to make the motor pretty. So when you pop the hood, I want to get the new rims yet. And when you pop the hood, you know, you think it's a cool old truck. We also have the aluminum high flow long water pump. I haven't even opened this up yet. Hold on one second. There you go. It's going to be nice hanging off the front end, especially like I say with them billet pulleys on there. So we're getting some parts together. It's coming right along. All right, so we loaded up the Dreamsicle. It's on the trailer right now. So the next video you will see will be us heading to the Greater Philadelphia show, getting there for setup day. It's Greater Philadelphia Expo Center. I don't know if you've been following me, but the last 3 videos of the car shows is 3 of 4 of them. So this is the 4th one. I've won, not that this is important, but I've won at the last 3, and I'm shooting for the 4th win so I can get all 4 of them. If I don't get it, I don't get it, but I still have a blast doing it. It gives me something to do over the winter. So this will be coming out. Like I say, I got a few weeks before I could get to pulling this motor out and getting that other motor in there. I got this car show this weekend. I've been working my butt off getting the 55 Dreamsicle cleaned up to go to that show. And then the following weekend, I got an event in Ohio. So this is going to be a couple weeks out. So anyway, look forward to the next video. And that should be a really good show. All right, so we'll see you at the car show. I hope you stick around. I hope you check that one out. It should be a lot of nice cars. Cars that I don't really see on a regular basis because it's far away from me. So a couple hours away, a few hours away. So should be different cars, different trucks, different everything. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it. See you next one.